Morning everybody, just want to do an explanation of my pedals. This one here, expression pedal, so obviously volume, but we've fastened on 2 click switches, one either side. The right hand one connected to the Genos advances registrations. The left hand one takes them back down again. Okay, now the next pedal is a sustain pedal, and that is connected only to the P225 piano. So that's the Yamaha P225 digital piano. Beautiful piece of kit. And then, what have we got? These top ones I'd already got, and they advance the computer for the music, page by page, or 2 pages at a time, whatever. Okay, so that's them there, advance and then backwards. The new ones that came yesterday, these, excuse me legs, they're not the prettiest legs in the world, are they? Numbered 1 to 6. Okay, now they are connected by a cable into the back of the EVM. Let's just show you. So connected, which one is it? That one there. Footswitch connected to that. So what that does now, you go into, let me show you properly. You go into menu, and then you go into Footswitch. Now you can buy a 6 or a 13 pedal, but I've got the FS6, which is the top rank there. And if you see, I've got pedal number 1 on fade. Arranger A, B, C and D are on 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then I've got intro and end on number 6. So what I've got it set up as is that if I want it to fade, I can press number 1 pedal. So I'm pressing number 1 pedal. So what it's doing now is turning on fade or off, whatever. So I can start a piece of music as long as I've got K start pressed. I can start a piece of music, let's move that, and it will fade in. So let's just see if it works. No, it's not working, is it? Typical. Yeah. So stop it again. So I'm on fade, press a chord, fades in. I can also fade it out, of course. And then when it's finished fading, the start button goes off. Right, so K start, keyboard start. So it doesn't start until I press notes on the keyboard. So then for 2, it's on A. Number 3 is on B. And then the next one C, of course, and then the next one D. So I can change the variations by pressing them. And then I can also do an intro end by pressing the one number 6. So now I've got an intro. And because I've pressed number 5, let's turn that down a bit. Because I've pressed number 5, it's using variation D. So then I can press number 2, it takes me to variation A. Number 3, variation B. If I want to do a variation, I have to press the button, so that's the only time really I have to press the buttons. So then I can press now number 6, and it knocks it off with ending number 3 there. Okay, so menu, Footswitch, intro end number 3, range D, range C, range B, range A, and fade. That's my preference. And to adjust it, you just press on the number that you want to change, and you've got this full list of all sorts of things that you can change. It's so adaptable, this Ketron is. It's amazing. So I'm not bothered about anything like that, but that's what I wanted. I could have had the 13 pedal, but oh god, it looks very confusing. Anyway, hope that helps. That's how it looks nowadays. A little bit of woodwork, a bit of Heath Robinson job again. Thanks for watching.